how to find events, changes and updates, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find events, changes and updates, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down until you find settings and then click notifications, and here just go down until you find events, click on it, and as you see here you can find changes and updates. All you need to do is just turn it off or on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.